Welcome to this tutorial on Passport. This tutorial will cover how to access Passport, what kind of data is available, and how to do a search. To begin, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. Passport is on this list. Passport is an online business information system providing business intelligence on countries, consumers, and industries. It offers integrated access to statistics, market reports, company profiles, and information sources. This is the homepage for Passport. At the top, you'll find the toolbar where you can browse industries and economies, search for companies, and find information about analytics included in this subscription of Passport. You can do a keyword search using the search bar in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Relevant content will appear as you type. You can also search for data graphics, statistics, and analysis using the tiles below. Using the search page indicated here in the toolbar, you can search by categories and topics, companies, brands, packaging, and closures. Passport calls this a search tree. You can either search the full tree or browse for content that you're looking for. Let's browse categories and topics. When browsing, you have the option to search for a specific category or topic, select all, or select the one you're looking for from the list. Clicking on these arrows will allow you to narrow down the results to specific categories within a particular industry. For example, we can select pet care, then choose pet food, and narrow it all the way down to dog or cat food. Once you've made a selection, it will appear at the top of the page. Next, select the geography you're interested in. Similar to searching for industries, you can type a specific geography, select from the list, or select from a predefined list. In this example, let's look for information in the United States. The search criteria will appear at the top of the page. At any time, you can click Modify Search to make changes to your search. The results will be divided into two columns: Statistics, popular statistics being at the top, and Analysis on the right. There are filter options for analysis. These options will depend on what you've searched for. Our search for dog food in the United States can be filtered by analysis or by date, and can be sorted by relevance, alphabetically, or by date. To view a specific result, simply hover over it and click. This result is a report on dog food in the U.S. On the left, we can see the table of contents, related statistics, industry reports, company profiles, and articles. To download this report, click the Download button in the upper left corner, or click on the Print button to print out the report. At the top of the page, you can switch to the Data Graphics tab for information on market sizes, distribution, and the competitive landscape. With these buttons, you can view the graphic as a table, find related statistics, and export the image. You can also switch to the Context tab to see how your search results compare internationally, view the fast-moving consumer goods index, and the socioeconomic context of your search. If you need more help using Passport, you can click on the Help button in the toolbar for access to help guides and video tutorials. Now you know how to access Passport, what kind of data is available, and how to do a search. If you have any questions, please contact us at paralib@purdue.edu. Thank you.